for today, we'll be doing an unboxing of a package that I have been waiting for around 2 to 3 months now. So, ayun, medyo, as you guys all know, delayed yung mga packages ko. So, medyo delayed rin yung vlogs. Wala rin kasi ako magawa dito sa bahay. So, hopefully, matapos na tong pandemic na to. And, ayun, I'm really sorry for being missing in action. So, yeah, that's it. Let's get right into the unboxing. So, here we have this yellow box. And if you guys are familiar with Nike sneakers, yung isa sa pinaka-grail of grails comes in this yellow box. And I'm really excited to get this kasi as you guys all know, diba, us sneakerheads, it's in our DNA to collect not just sneakers. I mean, yeah, collecting sneakers is a must kasi nga, bakit nga ba tayo tinawag na sneakerhead, diba? So, ayun. Pero yung collecting ng mga memorabilia, like yung, kunwari, itong mga Funko Pop, as you guys all know, it's kinda related on streetwear and sneakers. So, ayun, as you guys all know nga, yung mga Funko Pop, ayan, kinokollect rin ng mga ibang sneakerheads. And ako, mga kinokollect ko is like yung mga Hypebeast magazines and all that. And yung mga cost na figurine, siguro you guys are familiar with it. Medyo mahal din kasi yung mga items na ganun. May mga resale value rin yung mga ganun. So, itong i-unbox natin, it's something that is really me, something really Gio, something really ChummiTV. And as you guys all know nga, I'm really addicted to Call of Duty Mobile right now. So if you guys want to see me do live streaming of gaming, let me know down below in the comments. Do you guys want to see Call of Duty Mobile gameplay? And ayun. So what we're about to unbox is itong Nike Air Mag na Air Uzi. This is by J-LDN. Not sure how to pronounce that name. Pero ito, medyo sikat na rin to, Shoeuzi. If you guys want to check out his Instagram, I'll leave it down below. Ayan, Air Uzi. And ayun nga, an Uzi is a gun. So ayun, it's something that I really like kasi nga, as you guys all know nga, yung Air Mag is a grail for most sneakerheads kasi super ganda talaga nung collector's item, pero it's not something that is really practical to have in your collection unless you're super rich like sina DJ Big Boy Cheng. It's something na you won't really bust out often yung susuotin nyo unless like may mga sneaker con or mga sneaker events like yung mga Manila Sneaker Expo. Pero for me, hindi rin siya practical na suotin kasi nga if madumihan man or something, hindi siya like hindi ko sinasabi na wag niyo suotin kung mayroon kayong Air Mag. Parang it's something na mas maganda tingnan as a display piece rather than something you're wearing, kasi it's not like a Jordan 1 na pag binit up mo, mas maganda pa rin. I mean, mas maganda tingnan or maganda pa rin tingnan after wearing. It's something na parang, uy, it's like a museum piece. Ang ganda tingnan pag naka-display lang. So, ayun. Ito, let's get right into the unboxing of this Air Uzi na Air Mag design. And as you guys can see the box. Anti-gravity, something like that. And, yung box na ito, it's similar to the Air Mag. So, everything here is Air Mag themed. And what's funny is when the package arrived kanina, when I was unboxing it, kasama siyang gloves. So, syempre, you have to treat it with care talaga. Kasi nga, it's a collector's item. It's a memorabilia na maganda i-display sa bahay. So, man, let's wear it. Hindi kasha sa akin, pero matchy sa hoodie ko. And let's wear it. Unbox natin yung Air Uzi. Not really sure how to open it though. Ayan. So you slide the box out, ganyan. Oof, ganda. Air Mag box. Tapos meron siyang foam na makapal kasi nga syempre possible mabasag rin yung item dito sa shipping, lalo na kung J&T Express. The joke lang yung meme kasi sa Facebook ngayon, di ba? Like, tinatapon nila yung mga items nila. Something like that. So, ayan. So, a thick foam to protect your item. Tapos, ayan siya. Cover pa pala siya. Ang daming items. Ayan. Nagbubuuin pa. So, ito, meron siyang stand siguro to. Stand na kasama. some wires. Kasi syempre, it lights up. So you have to charge it. I'm really sure kung ano mo kasama nito. Ito bubuin pa. Ito. Parang mga screws or something. Tingnan natin. So, ito siguro yung base. Tingnan natin. Naka-wrap siya sa plastic. So, as you guys can see, everything that you're getting is carefully put on, carefully made. And, syempre, nalagaan. Hindi siya yung bara-bara lang. Ayan. You guys can see the writing on there. It says Shoeuzi. Super nice detail, super nice quality. And yung nagla-light up na 3 dots na parang kay Buzz Lightyear. And ang ganda. And it has his logo right there, Shoeuzi. And yung base kung saan mo ikakabit yung Uzi na top, syempre. So, ito na siya, last piece inside the box. Syempre, dapat careful pa rin tayo. Unbox natin. Oof, ang ganda. Ayan. Wait, baliktad pala. Sa kabila, it has the Uzi logo right there. So, ito, sa Air Mag, syempre, nakasulat dyan Nike. Pero, syempre, hindi niya pwede lagay Nike kasi, ano niya to, like, design niya to. It says Uzi right there. So, ngayon, bubuuin ko lang siya. Papakita ko sa inyo finished product, what it looks like. And, ayun. I have to be careful with it. So, hindi ko na papakita yung process. Paano siya buuin. Pero, basic lang naman siya. So, ayan. Let's go. Damn. So, I think that's basically it. Ipapatong mo lang siya, something like that. I'll have to make sure. Pero siguro may ano pa siya. May something pa siya na ikakabit dyan. Wait lang. Ito, meron siyang maliit pa. Siyempre, alam ko kung ano to kasi sa COD Mobile. This is called long barrel. Tignan natin. Uy! Grabe, tignan nyo. Magnet, solid. Ooh, nakakabit na siya. Air Mag. Air Uzi. Super lit. Super gandang display piece sa bahay. And if you guys are wondering kung magkano ko siya nabili, it cost me around $200. So, around 10,000 pesos. I'm not quite sure kung magkano siya aftermarket. Kasi as you guys all know, itong mga items na to mabilis rin mag-sell out. So, probably has some resale value. I'm not quite sure. Check in na lang sa Google or something like that. Pero, I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing of something that I like to collect. And probably start collecting more items from Shoeuzi in the future. So, alam ko meron sila ng Off-White Presto. So that's a sneaker that I have in my collection. And I really want to get. So, now, starting to look at this pieces, it's something that I like to collect na. Kasi, ang ganda nga talaga. Super ganda. I know Big Boy Cheng has some pieces rin sa Ronak. If I'm not mistaken. Alam ko yung cost. Meron din siya. And, ayun. So, ayun. Let me know down below in the comments kung what you guys think about the item. Kung maganda ba, kung sayang pera or something like that. Pero for me, it's worth it kasi nga, if it's something that you really, really like and what you spent for it is something that you worked hard for, syempre, the things you buy must be worth it for you. And for me, it's something that I really, really like and it's something that really speaks to me kasi nga, a gun, it's something that I really like playing right now. And sneakers, ayan, grail nga kasi siya, yung Air Mag design. So, ayun guys, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below what you guys think about the item again. And if you guys want to see me do streams of gaming content, let me know down below. And yeah, follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes stories on what's happening with my daily life if you guys are interested with that. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace. So, ito pala nakalimutan ko ikabit kanina. It looks better now. And this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. And ito yung stand. Wait na. Pakita ko pala sa inyo. So, ito yung stand. And may saksakan siya dyan. Kasi nga, it lights up. Solid. Nakatakot lang kasi hawak-hawak ko lang siya. Pero, ayun guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, peace.